Plant rental services are increasing in metro cities. Usually, such services are availed of by corporates, malls, hotels, hospitals, and even a few homeowners who have huge spaces, as they can get a variety of flowering plants. In today's fast-paced life, people at corporate offices and institutions hardly have the time or patience to maintain plants at workplaces. Offices are also centrally air-conditioned. This means that there is barely enough sunlight required for plants to survive. Hence, people prefer hiring services for plants, as it ensures a hassle-free experience. Why would anyone rent plants from a plant rental firm rather than buying them from a local nursery? That's because buying isn't enough. The plants need maintenance, which owners or administrators of don't have time for. As one gets a wide choice with rentals, one can keep changing the plants monthly or even fortnightly. Further, plant rental services have skilled resources who can take complete care of the plants. By hiring plants, one does not have to worry about watering it, pruning or cleaning the leaves and spraying insecticides, as all the maintenance is taken care by the supplier of the plants. It is advisable not to keep plants for long periods in poor light. The plants have to be taken out every 15 days on a rotation basis, and another set of plants should be kept in its place. Advantages of renting a plant. 1. Freedom to choose from a variety of plants. You will not have to stick with a specific plant till the time it is replaced. You can create a different look for the space every month by getting the plants replaced as often as you like. With this, you can also realize which type of plants look good and work well in the office environment. One can opt for seasonal plants. With plant rental services, you can opt for seasonal plants, which will not be possible if you are planting it on your own. Replacing it every season and then waiting for them to grow to full strength will not work in an office environment where continuous air conditioning creates a dry atmosphere. Also, in-season plants always look more suitable in the office. It increases plant long life. Plants need constant care and the right type of grooming method if you want them to look fresh and last long. Most of the office plant providers offer services to replace the plant every 15 days, so that the plant gets to be in the outdoor environment to renew its freshness. It is more economical. Renting a plant is more economical, as you will not have to spend on buying containers, hiring help to maintain it, and the transportation cost if you have to replace them often. Renting a plant would mean getting regular maintenance for your plants in matching containers and pots. You will not have to worry about the additional expenses if the old plants wither away. Marketing. You can find potential events client a number of ways. Personal meetings with event planners for hotel and convention centers will probably be the most productive. Take a portfolio and be sure they understand why their event would not be complete without live plants. You can also look for local events on social media sites and search out wedding planning groups. You can also post articles about why live plants are important for special events, share pictures of the plants and arrangements that your business provides. With a little extra marketing work and taking few new plants that can be kept in a rental rotation, you can expand your interior landscaping business and win new clients.